Microsoft's GitHub announced in early 2026 that Copilot is transitioning from request-based billing to usage-based metered billing. The specifics: they introduce a virtual currency called GitHub AI credits priced at 1 cent each. Complex operations burn more credits. Simple operations burn fewer. The all-you-can-eat $10 a month subscription is over. This sounds like a small pricing tweak for one product. It's not. It's the leading edge of a pricing revolution that's about to hit every AI tool you use. Today I'll walk through what GitHub actually changed, why they had to, what this means for the entire AI industry, and the specific moves you should make to avoid getting surprised by AI bills in 2026. The math on unlimited AI pricing stopped working in 2026. When Copilot launched at $10 a month, the average user consumed about $2 to $3 in inference costs. Microsoft made a healthy margin. Then AI-first coding tools like Cursor changed how developers work. Users started running Cursor in agent mode, letting the AI execute long-running tasks that consume massive tokens. A single power user could burn through $200 to $500 in inference costs a month, still paying $10. Microsoft did the math. Their heaviest 5% of users were consuming 90% of their inference budget. The economics didn't work. Their choice: either raise the subscription price to $50 or $100 a month for everyone, or move to metered billing where heavy users pay for what they use. They chose metered, and every AI company running unlimited pricing is going to face the same math and make the same choice within 12 months. The new model is straightforward. Each Copilot subscription includes a monthly allowance of AI credits. Light users never hit the ceiling, and their experience is unchanged. Heavy users blow through the allowance and start paying for additional credits at 1 cent each. Different actions burn different credit amounts. Simple autocomplete, a fraction of a credit. Chat responses, a few credits. Agent mode running for hours, tens or hundreds of credits per session. For a typical developer using Copilot for daily coding work, the change is minor. Their monthly allowance covers what they used before. No bill increase. For power users running Copilot in agent mode extensively, bills can increase significantly. A developer running heavy agent workflows might see costs jump from $10 to $80 or $150 a month. The trade-off Microsoft is making: they lose some heavy users to competitors, but they save their business model on the remaining base. Overall, economics improve. Here's what most people are missing. This isn't a GitHub problem, it's an industry problem. Every AI tool built on Frontier APIs, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever, pays per token to the underlying model provider. When their users consume more tokens than the subscription pays for, the tool loses money. For years, tools masked this by hoping heavy users would stay minority. Agentic workflows broke that assumption. Now every AI native tool has heavy users burning through tokens at rates the pricing doesn't support. The tools that will move to metered billing in the next 12 months, likely most of them. Cursor is already at $20 a month with hard usage limits. Replit has been moving in this direction. Perplexity Pro has soft limits that trigger throttling. ChatGPT Plus has message caps on advanced model. By end of 2026, expect nearly every serious AI tool to have some form of usage-based pricing, some as pure metered billing like GitHub, others as tiered subscriptions with usage caps. The $20 a month all-you-can-eat era is ending. Plan accordingly. For light users, mostly nothing changes. You'll keep paying $10 to $30 a month and getting the value you got before. Subscription pricing works fine when you're a small consumer. For medium users, spending will probably increase modestly. You'll notice the change, but you'll still be able to justify it. For heavy users, anyone using AI agents extensively, running long autonomous workflows, or building on top of AI tools, your costs are about to jump significantly, not double, sometimes 5 to 10 times what you were paying. The heavy user category is bigger than you think. If you use AI-assisted coding for hours a day, you're a heavy user. If you run agent workflows overnight, you're a heavy user. If you use ChatGPT with GPT 5.5 for complex reasoning throughout the day, you're a heavy user. Estimate your actual AI usage before the metered pricing hits your tools. Budget accordingly. 3 specific strategies smart users are adopting. Strategy 1, model right sizing. Use the cheapest capable model for each task. Sonnet 5 at $2 input for most work. Opus 4.8 or Fable 5 only when you actually need frontier capability. GPT-4 Mini or DeepSeek for high-volume simple tasks. Don't burn Frontier tokens on tasks that don't need them. Strategy 2, API direct instead of tools. If you're a power user, using AI tools that layer on top of APIs, Cursor, Perplexity, Claude, you're paying the tool's markup plus the underlying token costs. For very heavy usage, going direct to the API and building your own thin wrappers becomes cheaper. Strategy 3, usage monitoring. Every serious AI user should be tracking their token consumption. What tools burn how many tokens per week? Which workflows are cost effective? Which workflows are burning money for marginal value? Cost visibility is now a core AI skill. The users who lose in the metered pricing era are the ones who don't know what they consume. The users who win are the ones who optimize. Metered pricing is going to reshape AI business models across the industry. Consumer AI apps built on Frontier APIs will get harder to run profitably. The tool provider has to charge enough to cover token costs, plus their margin. The user has to see enough value to justify the price. The math only works for high-value workflows. Expect consolidation. Weaker AI apps that couldn't justify their pricing will die. Stronger AI apps that solve specific high-value problems will command premium prices. Enterprise AI will be more affected than consumer AI. Enterprises consume way more tokens per user and are moving faster to metered arrangements. Expect enterprise AI budgets to become as scrutinized as cloud infrastructure budgets. For AI startups building new tools, the pricing model design is now as important as the product. Charge subscription for basic access. Meter for heavy usage. Build the pricing into your product from day one. The days of we'll figure out monetization later are over. The end state of AI pricing looks like electricity billing. You'll pay a base rate for access. You'll pay per unit of consumption above that. Heavy users will pay more. Light users will pay less. Every AI tool will show you your consumption in real time so you can manage it. This is actually healthier for the industry than the current subscription model. It aligns pricing with value delivered. It prevents the current situation where light users subsidize heavy users. It forces tool builders to focus on efficiency, not just capability. For you as a user, the shift is uncomfortable in the short term. Your AI bill becomes variable instead of predictable. But over time, if you're a rational consumer, metered pricing means you pay for what you actually get, which is a better system than what we had. In the comments, what AI tool are you currently using where you know you're a heavy user? Tell me and I'll walk through whether the metered shift is likely to increase your costs and what to do about it. Subscribe. Next video is the Meta AI scandal that exposed how badly the entire industry is failing on child safety.